That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Upang sugpuin ang lumalalang kaso ng illegal na online gambling sa bansa at protektahan ang mga manlalaro laban dito, inilunsad ng Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation o PAGCOR ang PAGCOR Guarantee website. Maaaring i-check ng publiko sa nasabing website kung lisensyado at lehitimo ang isang online gaming site bago sila maglaro o magbayad. Regular na ina-update ang website at may direktang link ito sa mga lisensyadong gaming platforms. Ayon kay PAGCOR Chairman and CEO Alejandro Tenco, matutulungan ito ang publiko na makaiwas sa panlilinlang habang pinoprotektahan ang kanilang karapatan bilang manlalaro. Paalala pa ni Chairman Tenco na maging mapanuri sa bawat online gaming activity na sasalihan sapagkat dumarami ang mga reklamo hinggil sa illegal na gaming sites na hindi nagbabayad ng panalo. Para sa karagdagang impormasyon, bisitahin ang www.pagcor.ph/pagcorguarantee.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Traordinary. With Alpha, Beta, Gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, Capsule Coffee and Tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako bilib.
I am Dulce, your power singing diva. Sa MX3 capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be MX-Traordinary with MX3.
I got my first real six-string.
Bryan Adams, Roll with the Punches Tour 2026. Performing his greatest hits and more live at the Mall of Asia Arena, January 31st. Bryan Adams, live in concert. Book now at smtickets.com. Presented by Wilbros Live.
Hello, Philippines. It's Bryan Adams. See you all soon.